Hey, what's going on everybody? Ali Saleh here, and in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and give a breakdown of an amazing trading platform that can really help you elevate your trading in 2024 and beyond. I'm super excited for this platform because over the last 6 months, I've been working very closely with this platform, and we have had incredible trading results for our newest customers who have almost no trading experience, who are getting withdrawals from their prop firms, and they're having amazing results on their live cash accounts. They're also learning the skill set, which is amazing, but they're maximizing our wealth building tools to help them really win in the financial markets. So past profits do not depict future results. Let's go ahead and run that B-roll and dive right in.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that you're here, we're gonna talk about an amazing trading platform that's completely revolutionizing the world and taking over the trading space. So we're gonna talk about a platform called AkashX. The beautiful thing about this platform is it's based out of Las Vegas, Nevada. They're a 10-year-old brand, a 10-year-old company. The owners are very financially sound. And the best part is you're gonna be getting world-class education. And let's look at AkashX and talk a little bit about what you'll get when you partner with AkashX. So first and foremost, as you can see, our website, you can see that we have live trading sessions. We have a full-blown academy that's going to give you advanced, expert, and beginner lessons as well, so you can learn and understand the trading and financial market space. We're also going to give you live trading sessions so that you can learn while you earn with our world-class six-figure traders and educators. And on these live trading sessions, not only will you be learning about the financial markets, but you'll also be in position for you to actually have access to money-making sessions where you can hop on and trade with the educators live and take the trades alongside them. We have copy-paste trade alerts. We'll send these trade alerts directly to your phone, and you just copy and paste those into your Trade Locker, MetaTrader 4, or MetaTrader 5. Then we also have a really cool, unique system called Taptotrade. Taptotrade is where you actually just approve trades with a click of the button. So if you get a notification on, let's just say, Instagram or Facebook, whatever the case may be, you open the notification on your phone. Same concept here. We'll send you a push notification for a Taptotrade on your phone. You open that, you click approve, and boom, you're in the trade. And I'll play a quick video here showing you exactly how Taptotrade works. All you have to do, again, open the notification, click approve. It'll automatically calculate your risk. You don't have to know how to do anything else. Just click approve, and boom, you're in the financial markets. Then we have market scanners as well. And you can download our app on our Play Store or iOS Apple Store. So let's go ahead and log in here, and I'll give you a sneak peek into our back office so you can kind of see, what's under the hood. One thing I will say is our back office is extremely clean and unique. I love the color scheme. Everything about it's really, really nice. When you come here to the Getting Started tab, this is where you connect your trading account directly to the back office. We have a brief little onboarding video here. We have our academy here, like I said, beginner, advanced, expert levels of education. We also have our educator training series. So you could come back here and learn, if you want to learn about Rich and his trading style, you can come back here and watch any one of Rich's, educator training series videos to learn how to trade with him. So here are all of our educators back here in the back office. All of our live trading sessions are streaming here. So let's say if Anointed was live right now, if it was 10 p.m., we could literally click right here, type in our name, and boom, we can dive right into his trading session on our mobile applications or directly here in the back office. All the session replays, everything also back here, so you could take full advantage of any sessions that you may have missed. Our trade alerts are also tracked back here, so you could see, if trades hit take profit, if it hits stop loss, like this trade hit stop loss at break even. This trade hit TP2, TP3. This one hit TP3. Right here, full sweep, by Muhammad, 150 pips. So yeah, you could come back here and track all of our trades. All of our tap to trades are back here too, so you could check that out. But we have a system here with our tap to traders the ones where you just approve the trade, where you can come in here and actually look at their trading history and see historically how they're doing. So like, for example, Joel, he's up like 32.82% as well. So you can come back here and look at Javed up 2.5%. So you can come back here and take a look at all these educators and basically see who you want to follow, who you don't want to follow. It's totally up to you. It's like a social tool for you to see how the traders are actually trading. We have market scanners. So let's just look at our Go scanner, for example. Let's say there's no live trading sessions, there's no signals, and you want to trade. You could come back here and use this right here to place trades. Now, the cool thing about this is the more stars, it means the stronger the trade. So this NZD CHF buy, like look at that, the market gapped quite aggressively. So great entry for you to take that trade. Let's see if we have any other right here. GJ, a 3-star buy, boom. You would have already been in profit, which is quite cool. So you have access to all of these different market scanners directly here in our back office. So we have plenty of opportunities for you to make money within our community, which is really, really exciting. So basically what I want to do now is just kind of showcase some of the results that we've been having in our community so you can really understand what it is that's happening here. So I'm just basically gonna go in here and pull up my phone, and we're just gonna dive right into my Telegram group, and we're gonna go straight to our AkashX official community channel, and we're gonna go straight to the results section here. And as you can see, we have loads of people who are winning in our community. Right here, this client had a $4,855 a day. This client right here is up $23,000 for the week. This client's up quite a bit on all of those positions. This person's up $88, 176. So we could just keep going, and all these people are having incredible results with our trading system. So it's really powerful what we've been able to create here. We're seeing so many people win inside our community, and it's really exciting to see all these people pass their funded account challenges, you know, go through the whole process. As you can see here, this person passed stage 2, so they're live. That's an $843 trade, $2,200 for the week. Right there, $1,000 for the day. Stage 2 passed, $421. I mean, as you can see here, our community is just winning constantly. And all of these results, guys, are literally from the last week. So this is literally going back to October 28th, and I'm recording this, it's like November 2nd. So really exciting stuff to see what we've been able to create here inside our community. And it's designed for the lowest, for the newest person to win. You know, we're not out here trying to do anything else but make sure that our community could win. So basically, if you want to have access to everything I just mentioned, you can go ahead and get started today with just $149 today and $149 per month to have access to our amazing wealth building tools. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I do have a results Telegram group that you should join. It'll be linked in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will catch you on the next one.